today's video, I'm gonna showcase the top 3 weapon, the tactical bow, which is the most powerful top 3 weapon, or is it the SR? No. So you can basically unlock it on Vindictive Treasures too. You can see it in the park, Zicarius, and he's just standing like NPC. Yeah. So if you level it up, 25k damage, and electric charge is really good because it can times it up the damage. And the bow damage, you need that, and the bow ammo capacity and the focus rate, which I got a lot of upgrades in focus rate and bow damage, but reach shot is also good, but I prefer electric charge. Just look. The reach shot just like bounces off. Wait, what? I missed. There's no way I missed. Just see. Can't see. And that's how you do it. And that's electric charge is more better, cause it can times it up in the area, you know. So you can also tweak, which is, I don't know about tweaks, and I tweak it. The prima damage got lower. The original was 71k damage. My tactical bow, 71k damage. But when I tweak it, it becomes like 43 damage, 42. I don't know about that. But yeah, this is a good. And you also need to upgrade the ammo cap to just get more good. Like that. You can use this for beating railways because you have a lot of zombies in there. But I prefer for lower, but I prefer the ladder and the flamethrower and the grenade launcher and the revolver for beginner. You know why we need ladder? Because just to scavenge. I know you could just jump it in and just scavenge, but oh yeah, no, we don't need that ladder. It sucked anyways. So that's all. And to get this, you need like 6 bow parts and like, I don't know, 35k. 35, was it 35k? Yeah, 35k money. And wait, how am I recording and I don't know how how to build it? Now I'm sick and tired of